Imagine a world where your headphones don't just play music, but actually understand the environment better than you do. For years, Apple has dominated the wireless earbud market, but the rumors swirling around the 2026 AirPods Pro 4 suggest we aren't just looking at an evolution. We are looking at a total extinction event for the competition. You've seen the leaks, you've heard the whispers, but today we are peeling back the curtain on the most ambitious audio project in Silicon Valley history. If you think the jump from the originals to the MagSafe versions was big, you're not prepared for what Apple has been cooking in the basement of Apple Park. This isn't just about better sound. It's about a device that integrates into your biological life in ways we previously thought were restricted to science fiction. We're talking about integrated health sensors that could literally save your life and a processor that makes the current H2 chip look like a calculator from the 90s. The most controversial leak so far involves the complete removal of the charging port in favor of a new, high-speed inductive resonance technology. But why would Apple take such a massive risk now? The answer lies in the chassis. By reclaiming that internal space, engineers have finally cracked the code on battery density, promising a staggering jump in listening time that puts every other Pro earbud to shame. But the real magic happens the moment you put them in your ears. Insiders are calling it neural audio. Imagine a system that doesn't just cancel noise, but uses artificial intelligence to predict the frequency of incoming sounds before they even reach the external microphones. It's a silent world on demand, a literal mute button for the chaos of the outside world. And for those of you worried about comfort, the leaked CD renders show a radical new contour fit design that uses heat-activated materials to mold specifically to your ear canal shape. This isn't just marketing fluff, it's the end of the one-size-fits-all era. But let's talk about the feature that is currently terrifying the medical industry: non-invasive glucose monitoring and core temperature tracking. If the 2026 AirPods Pro 4 ship with these sensors active, Apple will have effectively turned a pair of headphones into the world's most advanced wearable clinic. This changes everything for athletes and anyone managing their health on the go. You aren't just buying earbuds, you're buying a guardian. As we dive deeper into the supply chain reports coming out of Asia, a picture is emerging of a device that is as much a computer as it is an audio driver. The new H4 silicon is rumored to handle on-device Siri processing with zero latency, meaning your digital assistant is finally going to be as fast as a human conversation. This is the leap we've been waiting for. This is the reason you shouldn't buy any headphones until this drop happens.